So in this short video I'm going to show you how to make Eccles Cakes. Now for Eccles Cakes you're going to need some currants, some sugar and some cake crumbs. I'll get my apron and we'll go through the process. I'm not going to say I'm a genius. Oh, for Eccles Cakes we need to make the currant mix first. So you're going to want some currants, you're going to want some stale cake, and you want to crumb that up, put it on your grater, just rub them down like that, so you get some crumbs and some granulated sugar. Now what we do, we just get a dish, we put some currants in, depending on how many Eccles Cakes you want to make, will depend on how many you put in obviously. Some of your grated cake, I've got some in already grated, I'll just put some in. You probably want, I don't know, half a cup of grated cake mix there. And about a spoon or so of granulated sugar. This is one that I've already used in the past. It's there in my dish. It will just keep it somewhere dry. You see, it's just currants and cake and sugar all mixed together. That's all it is. Right, what do we do? Get your puff pastry. This is slightly more complicated than the other cakes, but you can do it. Try, practice, it's not a problem. Right, roll your pastry out. Now for this you want it fairly thick. A little bit thicker than what you had your vanilla slices or your puffs and that sort of thing, because it's going to be stretched. Get the biggest cutter you've got. You've got a nice big one, this one's I don't know, about 4 inches, something like that. Just cut a circle. 2. I'll do 3 so that you can see how we do it. See what we do with the scraps, remember? You just put your scraps in, fold it over, you don't move it round, you keep those layers. You just pin it out there. Like that. Get your big cutter, cut it like that. Right, so I've got 3 there. Now, get your pastry, stretch it a little bit. This puff pastry, it will stretch. Right, put it in the palm of your hand, you're making a little cup like that. Get your currant mix, put some in your hand and just pour it in to the middle. Not too much, just so you got it just nice. Now you're going to make a purse, what we call a purse. You're just going to fold the top round, you see that? Fold it. Keep pressing that filling in. Fold it around like that until you get right round to the other end. And then that last little bit you just fold over. And then you press it in your hand like that, so you got all that fold underneath. I'll show you again. Stretch it in the palm of your hand. Get your currants, put them in like that. Make your purse by just simply folding the pastry on each other like that. Last little bit, fold over and press it all down. One more. Stretch it. Put your currants in. Make your purse. Keep pushing those currants into the inside. That's that. Now, you got it like that. Put the flour down. Get your rolling pin and just pin it across the top. Not too hard. You don't want those currants coming through the pastry. Just like that. And again. 2, 1 more. Put a bit of flour on there. Now, pastry we've got to let rest now because we've used it. When it's resting, I'm going to put a little hole in the top, just to let any air out that might come through. Wet it on the top again, just dampen it. Dip it in granulated sugar. That'll come out nice and crispy on the top. So that was how to make Eccles cakes. Now if you want to see how to bake them off, just turn on to the next video which tells you exactly how to bake them off. And don't forget, if you like what you see, like, share, subscribe and turn on your notifications.